This video is sponsored by LuxuryEscapes, best resistant band in the world. If you want to buy this, then link in the description box and in pinned comment. So go and check it out. Alright, what's up guys? This is Anish Fitness. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Boom. So guys, in this video I will show you different types of push-ups, different variations of push-ups which you can do at your home with your body weight, which will hit your tricep, chest, shoulder, bicep, core. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. Hope you guys like our video. If you like, then please like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Repeat guys, love you all, take care. This is Anish Fitness and Anish Fitness behind the camera, over and out. Boom.